Good morning, children. Today we are going to do one more topic, that is message writing. It's not new for you. You have already done in class 6 and I noticed that you were taking so much interest, a keen interest you were taking in message writing and you were enjoying it, है ना? But today again I am going to tell you and you will do one or two practices also. What is message writing? What is message writing, beta? Okay, I take an example of Arav. Okay, suppose I am your class teacher. I called at Arav's home and I want to ask Arav's mother. Few queries are there. I want to ask that Arav is studying well. He is attending his video classes. He is doing his work on time. All these questions I want to ask. Okay. I called at Arav's house and Arav picked the call because Arav's mother was sleeping. Okay. अब I cannot say ना Arav's mother went somewhere. वैसे तो ये होता है कि कहीं मम्मा कहीं बाहर गए हैं, ठीक है. अब आजकल तो लॉकडाउन है, मम्मा बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते. So I will not say she was outside, she was sleeping. And as I called, Arav picked my call and I asked that where is your mother, and he said my mother is sleeping. So I didn't feel it good that I should wake her up and I should ask the question. I said, Arav, okay, it's okay. Whenever your mother will wake up, you give my message that she will call back me. I want to take a feedback of your studies. Arav said, okay ma'am, I will convey your message. Now Arav is also feeling sleepy. He also wants to sleep. So what he will do? Okay, if I will sleep down and mama will wake up, who will give the message to mama that madam called and my mama should call back to ma'am? Then he thought an idea. He thought, before sleeping, I write down a message for my mother. Mama will get up and she will read my message and she will call back to my teacher. So he planned to write a message. Our message is always to the point. Stories are not required that I was doing this, I was doing that, and madam called, I went, I picked, and ma'am said hello, I said hi. These stories are not required. Just go to the point. What is the format of message writing? You have already done. Still I am telling again. Look here. This is the format of message writing. First of all, we make a box. Okay. Then we write down message. Message should be all letters, capitals. Left hand side we write down date and time. Right hand side time. Okay. Suppose today's date is 5th May. So May 5, 2020 and time. At what time you are writing the message. Salutation means to whom you are writing. मम्मा को लिख रहे हो तो dear mom. Okay. Now content. अब इस content में आपको ये बताना है who called up, why. Okay. Follow up messaging if required. अब आप इसमें मेरा मैसेज मम्मा को कैसे दोगे? आपने लिख दिया डियर मॉम. Again dear mom is not required or again mom is not required. You write down here dear mom. My English teacher called when you were sleeping. She wanted to ask about she wanted to take a feedback about my studies. She told me she told to call her back. Okay, आपने अपना मैसेज दे दिया. What you said? Dear mom. यहाँ आपने salutation में दिया dear mom. Again mom is not required. Directly अपने to the point बात करो. Dear mom. My English teacher called to ask about my studies. She said to call her back. Short सा मैसेज आपने दे दिया. उसने कहा कि उसे कॉल बैक किया जाए और एंड में अपना नेम दे दीजिए जो भी आपका नेम है. आरव ने लिखा ना ये तो आरव. विद दिस आवर मैसेज गेट्स ओवर. दिस इज आवर फॉर्मेट. ओके बेटा, दिस फॉर्मेट यू विल कॉपी डाउन इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. फॉर्मेट का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप मैसेज लिखने बैठे हैं और आप पहले लिखें DATE डेट, देन यू आर पुटिंग हाइफन, देन यू आर राइटिंग डेट, देन यू आर राइटिंग TIME टाइम, you are putting hyphen, then you are writing time. No, directly write down date, time, whatever salutation is there, dear mom, dad, जो भी है, फिर अपना कंटेंट और आपका नेम. ये सब चीजें सिर्फ आपको एक फॉर्मेट है आपको बताने के लिए कि हाउ वी राइट डाउन मैसेजेस. यू लुक दिस एग्जाम्पल, सी this solved one I will send you, and I will send you unsolved also. You see here, first of all a box is there, then capital letters message, directly date डाली गई है, time है जिसको, then skip one line, then salutation means to whom we are writing, और नीचे राइटर का नेम है और बीच में उसका कंटेंट है. इन द सेम वे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल रीड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. Okay, it is in your grammar book, page 240. After reading this conversation, you will read this message writing. Okay. After this, you will solve first message in your fair notebook. Okay, how you will solve? You will write down date, classwork day, message writing. सबसे पहले तो आप उस एक पेज पर फॉर्मेट लिखोगे और नेक्स्ट पेज पर आप लिखोगे पेज नंबर 242, मैसेज नंबर 1. आपको ये सब नहीं लिखना. डोंट राइट द कॉन्वर्सेशन, जस्ट राइट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, and I would send it solution also, you can check. With this our message writing will be over. So read it very well. Thank you.